Oh my god, it's just caught on fire. Holy shit. Alright, so it's Halloween and we're here in Tokyo, and the plan for tonight is, well, there's no real plan. We're just going to head into Shibuya, which is where that huge crosswalk is, where all the people cross. And tonight it's going to be so busy because obviously it's Halloween, and in Tokyo Halloween is such a huge thing. Everyone dresses up because they love all that anime stuff over here. I'm going to bring my camera in obviously, and I'm going to try and get some photos because it'll be so cool to see what everyone's wearing. Enough of me talking, let's just get into Shibuya. What is all this smoke? What the? All this smoke has just come out of nowhere. I have no idea what it is. This is not good. Holy shit. What? I literally think a building is on fire right now. What the hell? This is insane. Oh my god, it's just caught on fire. Holy shit. Holy shit! Oh my god. Wow. I literally can't breathe, there's too much smoke right now. I kind of want to photograph it, but also it's like, shit, I kind of want to run away. I don't know if this is bad or... Alright, I think things have calmed down now, I don't know. But the plan is to go and get some photos. We'll get some photos of like the things happening around here. Heaps of people dressed up, and it should make for some good photos. Let's do it. Looks like we're going under. What is this? What are you giving me? Tea.
Matcha.
I don't know if I should eat it. It might be poisonous. Should I eat it? Comment down below if you think I should eat it. Alright, I think I've had enough of this. Let's go home. That was a really, really fun night. Even though it was so busy and I'd never actually experienced anything like it. It was still really fun, really enjoyable. Like, trying to compare that to an Australian Halloween, like, you just can't do it, because if you're from Australia, you'll know that all we do for Halloween is literally just, well, nothing really. Like, I don't do anything either. I don't know about you guys. Maybe if you do, let me know down in the comments below. Anyways, enough talking about that stuff. Let's start talking about the photos. So when we first got there, it was really busy, obviously, people everywhere, and it was really overwhelming, and I just couldn't think properly. I was trying to get photos and trying to like think about where I was actually going, and I didn't really get that many sort of creative photos. I got these ones here, which were okay. And then that fire happened, and then that just like completely took my mind off taking photos. And I was so confused about what was happening. I was quite scared, to be honest, because I had no idea what was happening. But after that happened and everything settled down, I started to get into sort of a creative flow, and I started thinking about what sort of photos I wanted. And I went up to some people and I asked them if I could take a photo of them, and then we ended up getting these photos here. The reason that I think these photos turned out really well is because I told the people to hold out like whatever they were holding towards my camera, so it creates this sort of depth effect. Anyways guys, that pretty much brings us to the end of today's video. If you've made it this far in the video, let me know down below. Like, comment, I don't know, 3 emojis, something, anything. Let me know if you made it this far in the video. But yeah, that brings us to the end of today's video. As always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I will see you in the next one.